Hi everyone! This week we have been playing with chocolate dough. Please check out my other video to find out how to make it. I'll leave a link in the description box below and above as well. Here he's plaiting the dough. He really enjoyed this and it's something he kept practicing throughout the week. Everything we made this week ended up being baked because my son wanted to dry and preserve his creations. It turned out to be a brilliant idea because they came out really nice. They were hard and puffy and really nice and easy to hold. And they had a really nice smell as well. Plaiting is a great activity. It's great for developing spatial awareness, dexterity, and for kids to learn how to follow instructions. Here he's using the Kumon write and wipe cards to make chocolate dough letters and numbers. He really enjoyed this as well. I only gave him the number cards at first, but he insisted on doing both capital and lowercase letters as well. This is a great activity to develop those finger muscles because they need to roll, pinch, mold, and break the dough up into little pieces. That makes it an effective pre-writing activity for toddlers and preschoolers. It also involves early math skills and logic because the child needs to estimate how long a piece of dough needs to be to create the numbers and letters. We also ended up making cupcakes with real sprinkles. That was super fun. The smell of the chocolate was absolutely divine, giving the dough a chocolate flavor either with or without additional essential oils and sprinkles made this simple activity very sensorial and tactile and much more exciting than a standard Play-Doh. The extra sensorial dimensions also made this calming and soothing.